move your hips in merengue. If you're a total beginner, don't worry. I'll break down each step so you can feel comfortable and natural on the dance floor. Let's get started. Let's start with the most essential thing to dance merengue and any Latin rhythm so you can have freedom on your hips, the posture. Well, first of all, we need to bend our knees. Just slightly bend. Just unlock your knees. Second thing, make sure that your hip is not going forward. If you're going forward, that means you're gonna lock your hips. They're gonna be really stiff. So you're gonna relax and bend a little bit your flexors, your hip flexors are gonna be relaxed, and your hip is gonna be kind of in the center and a little bit to the back. Not like this, just a little bit flex and relax. Ready? Now your core has to be engaged. With that, you're gonna give stability so your hips can move. This is gonna stay in the same place and your hips are gonna move to the side. Now let's start with the hip motion. How this hip movement happens? We're gonna need to bend a little bit more, one knee each time. So bend your knee and you see that my hip is gonna drop with the knee. So bend and drop, and your hip, you're gonna change your weight, your whole weight to this leg. This one doesn't have any weight. You see? Back. I bend, I drop, and I change the weight. After that, I'm gonna step in the same place and I'm gonna shift my weight to that leg. So let's do it again. I drop, I bend, I drop, and I change the weight. It's going to the side. Now I step and I transfer my weight to the leg that just stepped. Now my hip is going to that side, opposite side of the knee that is bending. This is really important. Knee bent, hip dropped, and the other one, the opposite one, goes to the side. Okay? Now let's do it again with the other leg. We're gonna step, and as soon as you step, you start to transfer your weight, comes to the center or goes through the center, and then you transfer to the other side. And you see instantly I'm bending my knee. You cannot do this. You have to make the two things at the same time. You transfer your weight and you bend your knee. This is gonna allow you to bend your knee, and this is gonna allow you to move your hip. They come together. Try to make this weight transfer really smooth. How you can do that? Don't go and just drop your hip and let it there. You try to keep changing your weight, and then as soon as you go, you take it back. So you go to the side and then take it back, step by step, and making the transitions really smooth. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's make it faster. The bigger the movement or the tinier the movement depends on the music. So each count, we're gonna be bending and moving our hip. Each step, each movement, each count of the music. The longer the step, the bigger the movement. The tinier the step, the tinier the movement. So don't try to go big with your hips if you're doing faster steps. So look at my hip. If I go to the side, my hip is dropping to the side and my knee is bending, opposite side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right now I'm doing longer movements, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. So I can make a big movement with the hip because I'm doing it in a slow motion. But if I start doing it faster, my hip starts moving a little bit less. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You see, it's tinier. Let's try it with music so you can feel the music in your body. Remember, practice makes the master. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. If this video helped you, please drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So you ready? Let's do it. Beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, each count, each move. Knees, hips, your core engaged. Side to side, side to side, side to side. Come on. Relax your hips so they can go farther. You relax, you're gonna go hit your move. Now you have the basics to move your hip in merengue. Check out the rest of the merengue series for more easy step-by-step tips. Thanks for dancing with me. See you in the next one.